Guys, welcome back to another fun-filled video. You got leftover rice? Don't throw it in the trash. Are you crazy? I'm going to show you what you can do with it. Alright you guys, this is the ultimate comfort fall food right here. We're going to get this dished up. Eight by 6 by 2 Pyrex glass pan. We're going to make baked rice pudding. You are going to preheat your oven to 325. And we're going to add the ingredients to the bowl. 1 cup or thereabouts of cooked white rice. 2 beaten eggs that we will add. 2 cups of milk. We will go ahead and add this to the rice and eggs. There we go. And we will add a 1/2 cup white sugar to the mixture. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which is about that much. Then you're just going to stir all this together. And there you go. Everything is mixed up really well. We're going to put it in the pan. It is in the pan. It's going to look like this. It's ready to go in the oven. So that's it. You put it in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is cooked about halfway through. I realized I'm going to go ahead and add in a handful of raisins. That'll make it so much better. There we go. We'll let it continue to cook. Okay, so this is cooked for 30 minutes. We want to go ahead and stir it. And we're going to put it back in for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, it is already ready to go. We're going to add a little bit of cinnamon to the top. There you go. Alright you guys, this is the ultimate comfort fall food right here. We're going to get this dished up. And what I like is a little pure maple syrup. Just drizzle that on there. And a little bit of milk. Like that. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try. That is so good. You guys got to try this out.